Important multiple choice questions from magnetism and matter. Question number 1. The SI unit of magnetic pole strength is option A ampere meter, option B ampere per meter square, option C ampere per meter, option D ampere. Here the correct answer is option A ampere meter. Question number 2. The product of area and current through a current loop is option A magnetic induction, option B magnetic permeability, option C magnetic moment, option D magnetic susceptibility. Here the correct answer is option C magnetic moment. Question number 3. Torque acting on a magnet placed at an angle theta with the magnetic field is maximum when theta is option A 90 degree, option B 180 degree, option C 360 degree, option D 0 degree. Here the correct answer is option D 0 degree. Question number 4. The potential energy of a magnetic dipole is 0 when theta is equal to option A 90 degree, option B 180 degree, option C 360 degree, option D 0 degree. Here the correct answer is option A 90 degree. Question number 5. The net magnetic flux through any closed surface is option A unity, option B 0, option C infinity, option D 1. Here the correct answer is option B 0. Question number 6. The SI unit of magnetic susceptibility is option A ampere meter, option B ampere per meter, option C Henry, option D no unit. Here the correct answer is option D no unit. Question number 7. The Gauss law for magnetism is option A the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is finite, option B the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is infinite, option C the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0, option D the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is equal to net current through the surface. Here the correct answer is option C. The net magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. Question number 8. Identify wrong statement among the following options about magnetic field lines. Option A. They can intersect each other. Option B. The tangent drawn to magnetic field line at any point gives the direction of magnetic field. Option C. They form closed loop. Option D. Outside the magnet they enter from north pole to south pole. Here the correct answer is option A. They can intersect each other. Question number 9. Magnetization of a sample is option A. Magnetic moment per unit length. Option B. Magnetic moment per unit area. Option C. Magnetic moment per unit volume. Option D. Magnetic moment per unit current. Here the correct answer is option C. Magnetic moment per unit volume. Question number 10. Substances which are strongly attracted by magnetic field are option A ferromagnetic, option B diamagnetic, option C paramagnetic, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option A ferromagnetic. Question number 11. Diamagnetic substances are option A weakly attracted by a powerful magnet, option B weakly repelled by a powerful magnet, option C strongly attracted even by a weak magnet, option D unaffected by the presence of nearly magnet. Here the correct answer is option B weakly repelled by a powerful magnet. Question number 12. For a diamagnetic substance, magnetic susceptibility is option A low and positive, option B high and positive, option C low and negative, option D high and negative. Here the correct answer is option C low and negative. Question number 13. The phenomenon of perfect diamagnetism in superconductor is called option A Zeeman effect, option B Seebeck effect, option C Tyndall effect, option D Misner effect. Here the correct answer is option D Misner effect. Question number 14. Among the following the paramagnetic substance is option A copper, option B aluminium, option C lead, option D bismuth. Here the correct answer is option B aluminium. Question number 15. The SI unit of magnetization is Option A, ampere meter. Option B, ampere per meter. Option C, ampere per meter square. Option D, ampere. Here the correct answer is option B, ampere per meter. Question number 16. The ratio of magnetization to magnetic intensity is called. Option A, relative permeability. Option B, retentivity. Option C, magnetic susceptibility. Option D, absolute permeability. Here the correct answer is option C, magnetic susceptibility. Question number 17. Magnetic materials whose susceptibility is very low and positive are option A, paramagnetic, option B, ferromagnetic, option C, diamagnetic, option D, superconductors. Here the correct answer is option A, paramagnetic. Question number 18. Ferromagnetic substances in which magnetization persists even after the removal of external magnetic field are option A, positive ferromagnetic substances, option B, superconductors, option C, soft ferromagnets, option D, hard ferromagnets. Here the correct answer is option D, hard ferromagnets. Question number 19. Nickel is a option A, diamagnetic, option B, paramagnetic, option C, ferromagnetic, option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option C, ferromagnetic. Question number 20. Which is the diamagnetic substance among the following? Option A, iron, option B, cobalt, option C, nickel, option D, copper. Here the correct answer is option D, copper.